welcome back to episode number 8 of restoring my 72 Super Beetle. We have painted most of the bug at this point. Half of it has not been recorded, and we also have gotten the headliner in, which we also have not recorded. But we promise to continue recording from this point forward as much as we can.
So this is the camera I've been using to film my videos. The audio quality is actually pretty good, but I bought on Amazon a microphone, a shotgun microphone. However, I had a problem, which that the cord that it came with, this thing, doesn't want to fit, has nowhere to fit in my camera. There is no, it can't fit nowhere. So I had to order this doohickey. Came in a pack of 2. I got to run there, and then something happened. I had it primered, but something happened. The paint underneath didn't mix well. I'm going to have to re-sand it. I cleaned it with wax remover, but apparently it didn't work. So I'm just going to have to redo this whole bottom side of the door. Got to run here. Didn't get enough paint here. You can see underneath it's thin right there. Then got another run right here. So I'll probably have to sand the outside of this and just paint it when I paint the rest of the orange. Get them runs out. He put undercoat right here with black paint. It makes it look better because it was a red color. We're getting the hood ready to be put on the bug. We have to put the rubber seals on it, which is what he's doing right now. He finally got the thing painted. I couldn't record him painting it because of the fumes and how dangerous paint is anyway. I don't want to get paint on my camera or anything either. This is what the bug looks like now. It looks really good. I'm going to show off more of what secrets lay inside of it. The paint job and everything. We got the windows in, the back windows. We got the window seals in as well. We got the chrome half moon shaped vent things. We got the back window in. And we got the last window in. We still need to put in the front windows right here. We have also finished the headliner on the inside. We even got a little bit of the plastic leather in. We got the rest of the liner. Really good.
Okay, so first of all, we painted the top of the car, and then we painted the white parts of it, and then my dad went to paint the front hood and the back hood. He ran out of the original paint, and he went to get more mixed up, and they're completely different colors. So we're going to have to wait for the hoods to cure so that we can sand them, and then we can hopefully repaint them and get them matching the rest of the car.
We have got the white on the bottom half of the bug, and we got the yellow on the top half of the bug. Oh no, there is a run in the paint right there. I just now noticed that. And Destiny has painted the glove box to make it where there's sunflowers all over it, and she put it in there. I think it looks nice with the yellow bug. He is now putting in the rear rubber for the back hatch.
There's a big gap right here. Nothing touching there.
It's not as bad around the side, like you can't see through it. So does the other side not stick out like this one does?
A little bit, but it just won't go in there.
Like you can't see.
Really far. That side is higher.
It is. Huh. I wonder why. Thank you for watching this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch all of the other videos that we've recorded on the playlist, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.